Guys, welcome back. All right, let's go ahead and start populating our brand new page that we just created. So let's go ahead and open up one of our files, go ahead and steal some information that we already created. So I'll just go to our edit _.php page. I think my computer's making some weird noises. Okay, so let's go up here to the top, and I'm going to go ahead and grab both of these, our connection as well as our functions file. Let's go ahead and plug that in. And what else do I want? I want to go ahead and close out our MySQL _close. Is that on this page? No, it's in our footer. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and hard code it. We're hard coding this as well. We're just copying and pasting it. So I believe I remember that it was, our variable was connection. Now I'm just going to keep this all in one line. Okay, so MySQL close, and our variable in here was connection. I'm pretty sure. I don't think it was connect, even though it's very similar. And yeah, that's it. Well, that's not it. What I want to do now is I need to write some code. I want to do an if statement that that will make sure we received our info ID successfully. So you remember that PHP function int val? Remember that one, the one that returns a whole integer? You know, to avoid confusion. Like for example, if we had a variable equal to 4.2136, and we used int val, we would just round down to 4. So let's go ahead and reuse that code from our edit _info page. It should be right here. Perfect. Okay, so just go ahead and snag this. We'll use the same validation. Let's go ahead and take that. Let's plug it in right. We got to create some PHP tags before we just plug it in. Drop it down a little bit. I'm going to look at this, val get info equal to 0. We'll just go ahead and redirect it to our content.php page after we go ahead and delete something from our database. That looks pretty sound to me. I'll just go make a comment over here. So this will make sure we received info ID successfully. And before I want to run our query, before we start, creating the query equals delete information from, remember that stuff, I want to use our MySQL _prep functions to prep the value. So let's go ahead and, I know it's over here, but I remembered it from the last video, so we will include it within these PHP tags right here and right there. I'm going to go ahead and just plug it in because it was ID equals MySQL _prep. Nope. Prep _super global variable of get, and remember get passes our query through our URL. Remember, so when we use get to collect forms and a value, you're going to see it run through there. So if you ever have any type of password or very specific information that you want to know, don't use get. Wait, did I have that backwards? I always get these backwards. No, I had it right. Get gets passed through the URL, as opposed to, oh my god, post does not. So we're okay because we're not passing through passwords or anybody's key to the city. And what am I doing here? Oh, I got to index what we're referencing for this variable. And let's go ahead and close that out. Are we missing any exclamation or semicolons? I don't think so. Go ahead and create another variable or a comment. Let's MySQL prep the value to get ready for query. And this video actually went on a little bit longer than I intended it to. Hopefully it made sense, but I don't know. Maybe it could have been a minute shorter, and by me talking right now is going to just keep concatenating on more and more time. So save this, look at it. This should look good. It does look good. Actually, it looks perfect. And let's go ahead and create our query in the next video.